As you can see, there's a bit of excitement in Watchet this morning. It's the annual Coast to Coast cycle event, which is due to start in about 10 minutes. Morning!
Cyclists that are taking the challenge, can you start to muster please, the other side of the tunnel, or even the archway? Right? I know, you're right. Carol, we'll wait for you, because otherwise you might lose your command. You've got long, 5 minutes.
You're going to set them running?
Pardon?
You're going to set them running?
I'm going to ring the bell, yeah. Going to ring first to get the muster, which is very shortly, Michael.
Yeah.
And then I'll pass. But I'm waiting for Charlotte, who's in control, which I can see now.
Right.
And I'm going to put my earmuffs in because to ring for about 3 or 4 minutes on the bang.
Right, yeah.
She's running.
Especially to listen to you.
What's the time now, Charlotte?
24 minutes past.
Right, to muster, there's still 2 up there, I think. We've still got the bikes on the car, but it's too late for them, isn't it?
Yeah. You ought to not go too early.
No, fine.
How fast?
I know it is. Well, I've shouted muster, they've already mustered.
I'll let you go for 29 minutes. Well.
Okay, right, okay, you're the governess.
I mean, I could get 28 minutes. But we ought to...
Shangri-La here.
We get everyone to do a cheer and get it on video. Yeah. Where's your megaphone? Or is it dead?
We've got a megaphone. We've got a fire.
Hang fire. Could you ask everybody to give a big
cheer? You want a big cheer?
Make sure your phone's ready.
Okay.
Oh, what, the Twitter?
The PA system.
Yeah, I don't know what's happened this year.
We all said that, it just didn't get packed sadly.
Attention please! Charlotte of the air ambulance wants us all to have a big cheer. So I'll count you down from 5 for a big cheer. Ready, Charlotte?
Yeah!
1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheer. Don't you want it as a cheer?
Yeah. We've got a couple of minutes. I mean, do we let them go? Let me ask them out.
Good, thanks.
All right.
I'm going to just ring Alana and then I'll see.
Give us a smile, Claire.
Hello. They're going to find us ready to go. Do you want us to wait for the half-past on the clock? Okay, but so we can't go now. We've got to wait a couple of minutes. I don't know actually. I'll double check with him now. I'll ring him now. All right then. Okay, bye.
Do we have to wait?
Just got to double check that Luke's had the call to say the course is checked.
So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 to start.
Yeah,
Okay.
there will be.
Okay.
Couple of minutes. Hello, have you heard from Tim about the course? Okay, we've got his number. Okay, I'll give him a call. I know we've got 4 minutes, but everything's ready to go, so... Okay, I'll let you ring him. Bye. Bye-bye. We're just waiting for
All clear. Here we are in Watchet, Harbour Road, 2025, coast to coast for Dorset Air Ambulance. A fantastic organisation, which we all need, hopefully one day, maybe not. But hey, here we are in sunny Watchet. God save the King. Right.
Very good.
Word perfect.
Waiting for the all clear now.
Amazing.
We're nearly there, nearly there.
Have you seen this event before?
Yes. Oh, hello. How are you?
Hi, okay.
All right?
I think I might go across the road.
Yeah.
See you later.
Might be safe.
I've only just started trying, then you have a short 10 mile cycle ride and to be back at Wrong? Because it's wrong. Nerve. Very well working line.
Good ride, everyone. Enjoy your ride. Enjoy your ride. Yeah, enjoy.
Travel safely, and God save the King!
We've done most of our end now. My daughter and I are doing that. Yeah, we're doing that. We're doing cross country as well, so we're halfway from here now.
Not now. Yeah, look at the yeah. You want to?
Thank you.
Go now.
Gonna
Morning.
There,
That's very, very posh.
still photographing.
Yeah. It's all peaceful and quiet again here now. There's a few stragglers on bicycles going by. The first steam train of the day should be along at the moment, So I think we'll watch that before we finish this video.
Yeah.